How to post then and now photos on Facebook in seconds. Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Today I'll show you how to post then and now photos on Facebook in just a few seconds. First, open the Facebook app and go to Create Post. Second, tap on Photo Video and select the two photos you want to share, one from the past, then, and one recent, now. Third, after selecting both photos, tap Next. You can add a caption like then versus now or a fun comment to make it engaging. Fourth, tap Post. Facebook will display both images in a single post, showing your then and now comparison. Pro tip: use photo editing apps to combine the two images side by side before posting. This makes your then and now photos look even more polished and professional. That's it! Now you know how to post then and now photos on Facebook in seconds. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment then and now below.